All right, grade 3, quick video here to talk about page 302. So today I only want you to do question 1, all of them, question 2, A and B, question 4, A, B, C, and question 7, A all the way to F, okay? So you get to skip 3, you get to skip 5, you get to skip 6. But if you want to do 3, 5, and 6, you go for it. I'll leave that up to you. All right, so very quickly here, question 1 is asking you to multiply 1A, 3 times 2. So you can either use some counters, like some pieces of cereal or some Lego blocks or whatever you have at your house, or you can draw a picture to figure it out, but you don't even have to. The question just simply says 3 times 2. You're going to write that down in your book. You're going to go 1A, okay, 3 times 2. Like I said, you can draw a picture. I can have 3 groups with 2 in each group. 1 group, 2 group, 3 groups, and put 2 in each group. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. Okay, so that's what I would do for question 1. But you do not even have to show me the pictures unless you want to. I just want to see your answer. Okay. Then you've got question 2. It says draw a picture for each answer. Well, now I do want to see some pictures. A, find 2 ways to make equal teams from 8 children. So you've got 8 children and we want to put them onto equal teams. And it doesn't say how many teams, but they want you to do it in 2 different ways. So we've got 8 children. All right, now they want 2 teams. So with my 8 pieces of Lego or my 8 pieces of cereal, I can spread them out. And I'm going to first try just to make 2 teams and see what happens with my 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep going back and forth. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I got my 8 children onto 2 different teams. That worked out. Is there another way I could do it? Could I try putting them onto 4 teams, those 8 kids? Take my 8 pieces. I'm going to get rid of this. Take my 8 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aha, I'm done. I was able to put them all into equal teams, but this time I made 4 teams with 2 kids on each team. Okay, so that's your answer for question 2A. I just showed you 2 answers, 2 ways to make equal teams of 8 children. You can copy my answers. And then for B, find 2 ways to make equal teams for 10 children. So instead of having the 8 children, you're going to have 10 children. See if you can come up with 2 ways to make equal teams with 10 children. Draw the pictures. All right, question 3 we're skipping. Question 4, draw arrays for the following multiplication sentences. So 3A, I'll do 3A with you. They've got 3 times 1 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9. When you draw arrays, you have to make sure each row has the same number of items in it. One of the best ways you could do that is to actually draw using your graph paper in your book, in your coiled book. So we'll do, I'll have to erase the board again. So they had 3 times 1, they had 3 times 2, and they had 3 times 3. And they showed you the answers. Okay, and they want you to draw the arrays. So 3 times 1. If I was using my graphing paper, I would just trace my boxes. I've got 1, 2, 3 going in one direction by 1. 3 by 1. So that's the first one. I did it. Then they want a 3 by 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, but I have to go 2 down. 1, 2, 3. Now I've got a 3 by 2. I did that. Now they want a 3 by 3. So I'm going to go further down. So we go 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3. So I got 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3. So I got a 3 by 3. So I got 3 here, 3 here. Check. Aha. Okay, so I've drawn the arrays. But the next part of the question says, what patterns do you notice? Well, we can just answer this together. I'm noticing that it's getting bigger and bigger. I'm noticing it's an increasing pattern. We talked about increasing patterns earlier in the school year. Why are they happening? Well, it's because we keep adding an array each time. Here we have 1, here we have 2, here we have 3. Write the next 2 multiplication sentences in each set. So, this is what I need to see. I need to see your arrays and then the next 2 multiplication sentences that would come. So if we did 3 by 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 3, what do you think the next one's going to be? You bet it's going to be 3 by 4 and 3 by 5. And you know what? You might as well go ahead and draw them so that you can find out what the answers are going to be. Okay, so that's what you're going to do for 4A, 4B, 4C. So you have a lot of little drawings to do, but it won't take you that long. Then you're going to jump down, skip down all the way to question 7. Use counters. Find the number of counters in each group. They are division questions. So 7A, 9 divided by 3. And you know what? I'm just going to grab some teddy bears. I need 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, find your 9 items, or you can use a drawing. And divide it by 3, because the question was 9 divided by 3 equals, all you have to give me is the answer. I don't care if you use items. I don't care if you've got a way in your brain that you're thinking of it, or if you're drawing it. You don't have to show me how you're figuring it out. I just want to see your answer. But here's one way you can figure it out. So I've got the 9 items, and I'm going to divide it by 3. So I need to create 3 groups for my bears. I'm going to put 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. And I'm going to keep taking turns putting them in the boxes until I get rid of all my bears. Ta-da! Okay, so 9 divided by 3 is 1, 2, 3. There's 3 bears in each of my boxes. And that, my friends, is all you have to do for math today. So again, for down here, I just want to see your answers. You decide if you want to use counters, you want to do pictures, whatever it is, to figure out your division answers. All right, good luck. Take a picture when you're done, send it to me, and I'll see you Thursday morning at 10 a.m. on Zoom.